What are we doing, Daddy?
Well, we're going on a train to Cambridge, and then we're going to get the train from Cambridge to Stevenage.
And we're in the train station, and we're in Ely. Aren't we, Daddy?
We're in Ely Station, that's right, and we're just queuing up to get some tickets.
And it's just me and Daddy. Mummy's at home, so's my dog and my brother. We're almost near the queue now, aren't we, Daddy?
Yeah, we've got 4 more people in front of us, and then we'll be able to get our tickets.
Yeah.